Okay, so this video is all over the place, but first we're starting with voiceover. This is the e.l.f. poreless putty primer. Yeah, this video is just crazy. There's parts where I'm voiceovering and parts where I'm just talking. Next, I'm using the Revolution Glow Skin Foundation.
Come on, no one can hear me, stop freaking.
I can't open it. I can do it. Just look at how cute the bottle is.
That pump. Fancy schmancy.
Maybe it's a bit light. I can see that it's light and I've not even got my glasses on.
That is well light.
I've had to trim the audio of some of these because I don't want to get copyrighted.
I think it actually kind of matches your neck though. I thought it looks like the right colour in shop.
This is the colour I have in the Revolution one, and the Revolution one's too dark.
Yeah.
I've just picked up this now.
Yeah, but this has got an angle.
Yeah, but you don't like me using that, so.
I don't like you touching the mirror, that's why. Concealer you using?
The matching one. And I got it in shade 1.
You've got a really red patch on the side of your face.
Huh?
Temple.
Yeah.
Right, where clip, just above where clip is. It's still red. It doesn't actually look that bad, it really does match your neck.
Abigail, you should see my face in the camera.
Yeah, but it matches your neck. Yeah, but when you put contour on.
I'm not putting contour on. That's what I mean. Her makeup look has no bronzer.
Does it not have like cream contour?
No, it just has blush. Because she's obviously quite naturally tan.
Put it next to the foundation. I want to see what colour difference is. Please.
No, Abigail. I'm not being funny, the one in the shot looked darker than that.
Are you sure you picked the right one up? You didn't, did you?
This is 0.2, not 2.
You can't take it back now. So that's gonna be darker.
Yeah. Abigail, look at me in the camera. I can't get the concealer out. I'm crying.
It's there. I won't get that foundation again, Kim. It's really patchy. This is my pinky toned.
That's fine. This is to go under my eyes.
No, I'd put that on you. I'd darken your face with that.
I feel like I haven't got a shade, any shade lighter than this.
Yeah, no, Kim.
Although even that's not going to be...
Even one of them two is lighter, Kim.
I mean, to be fair, she doesn't have brighter under eyes, and that's done a good job at covering on the dark fair colour.
Maybe if you put this on, because it darkens the foundation.
But she's really dewy, and now I'm going to end up being really matte.
You can add the highlighter on over top of it now, can't
I
you?
have cream blush first.
Yeah, I'd put your cream blush on. Because if you were over cream blush, I'd be like, yeah, you can put it over top. But the Charlotte Tilbury one, I'd say you put it over top.
But I think the Charlotte Tilbury one is the right colour.
Can I go back to the story now?
I don't think she has this much blush on.
It's so dirty. Yeah, I want tap-head rub. Difference. That's supposed to be freaking fair as well. There's no way that's fair.
So the rest of this video is now a voiceover. This is the dipbrow pomade in taupe, and I'm just imitating her brow shape. Her brows are very natural. This is the blush palette in Sugar and Spice, and yep, I'm just using these two shades. And as you can see, I'm not impressed that it's so pink. I thought it was going to be more like a movie colour. So I used a beauty blender to blend it out a little bit. Then I used a Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow. I used just the highlight, if I can ever open this. There we go. And I just applied this to the high points of my face and down the bridge of my nose. The Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette. I just used a basic gold eyeshadow. So any gold eyeshadow will do, with a bit of shimmer in it. I can't even speak. And I just apply this all over the lid, sort of winging it out a little bit. Then I used the Revolution Quad Eyeliner. This is the brown shade. And I'm just creating a small thin line on top of the lash line and blending it out. But I'm not going too far in, I'm only going halfway. Then curling my lashes. And now applying the Maybelline L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. Paradise Exactic, is that what it's called? I don't know. And a bit to the lower lashes too. This is the Ofra liquid lipstick in Laguna Beach. This is one of my faves. This is the closest colour I could find to the one she was wearing. She wore all Pat McGrath things and they're too expensive for me. This is the Revolution Hydra Blonde. And that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Go stream good for you.